Never heard of it.
It's this thing.
Yeah, no.
It's like some people just get a
No
cough.
idea what you're talking about.
Other people, it gets much worse.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. I mean, this certainly has taken over the mind space of the world to a degree that is quite shocking.
Yeah. Well, out of nowhere. That's what's crazy. It's like you go back to November, nothing.